Alright guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Sorry it's been a couple weeks. I've been busy with some stuff with life and just traveling and a few things like that. So I'm back. I got the high-end Boombox. It just showed up today and I was actually really surprised. It only took 2 days from the time I ordered it 2 days ago from Iowa to Seattle for 2 days. $55 shipped. Really impressed already with customer service and getting it out the door. So excited to see what we have in here. Tonight we got Rodgers, Favre, and Jordy. Just like I said, starting my collection back. So this is what I have so far. This one compliments of Timmy G, my guy. And we got Favre and Rodgers. So with that, let's get going on the Boombox high end. And like I said, I think it was $55 shipped. And I'm excited to see what we have here. So get rid of all these peanuts here. That's the only. Let's see here. So September's high-end Boombox featured products: 2018 Panini Unparalleled, Donruss Elite, 2018, 2017 Panini Phoenix, and 2016 Donruss Optic. And then of course there's a special inserts that are possible. And if you guys want to check them out on Instagram and possibly get your own box, this is how you can find them. And again, shout out to those guys for being super quick and on top of things. So let's get going. We got a 35.1 touch, so that's cool. Hopefully we're going to need that soon. And what do we got here? That's it. All right. Get rid of all this dang peanuts. Okay. So we have. Oh. What's this they sent here? This is cool. Fournette. 428 to 499. Looks like that's something they just threw in. I'm not quite sure, but if they did, I appreciate it. That's cool. We're going to put that up. Let's throw that up there for now. All right. So we have Topps Platinum 2015, 2018 Donruss, 2016 Optic, 2018 Elite, and 2018 Unparalleled, which is, I really like Unparalleled, and then we got the 2017 Phoenix. So, let's see. Let's go just in order of year. Let's do that. 2015, 2016, 2017, and we're going to leave Unparalleled for last, just because that's one of my favorite. Alright, let's get going. Just got done watching a little Thursday Night Football. I can't believe the Browns finally did it, even though I had them at -3. So that was great. All right, AB, Colin Kaepernick, Drew Brees, Teddy Two Gloves. Kind of a cool looking card though. Going platinum. Vince Mail. And back to AB. Alright. 2016 Optic Donruss. Darrell Green Beckham. God, he's not even in the league anymore. That didn't take long. We have a Fans of the Game Al Pacino. Rated rookie. Ooh, 5 of 10. Dak Prescott. Wow. On card? Holy smokes. That's a good hit, guys. I gotta get hold on, I gotta get a sleeve for that. I wasn't prepared. That is a good one. 5 of 10. we gotta sleeve that up. Well, not bad, not bad. We're gonna all right, so we got one hit so far. Back to it. Jacoby Brissett and Kid Reporter. All right, 2017 Panini Phoenix. Charles Harris, Deshaun Watson, Rookie Rising. Cool card. T. Sizzle. Famous Jameis, Warren Sapp, Charles Harris. All right, moving on. 2018 Donruss. Let's see here. God, I'm shocked on that 5 of 10. Super short print auto. That's a pretty good card. If I can ever get these open. All right. Let's see what we got in this one. Deshaun, TB12, Josh Doxson, Joe Thomas, Johnny Hecker, Nathan Peterman, Bobby Wagner, press proof. Oh, die cut out of 75. Huh, pretty good card too. We'll sleeve that one up here. Gridiron Kings, Kenyon Drake. Dylan Cantrell. Rated Rookie, Braxton Berrios. And Kid Reporter. Alright, moving on. Last two packs. 2018 Elite. I like Elite Unparalleled though. Those are quickly becoming a couple of my favorites. Derek Carr, Kenyon Drake, Luke Falk, Rookie Elitist. Shout out to Seattle Packbuster. He's a Luke Falk guy. And my boy Aaron Rodgers. Just a base card. And Teddy Bridgewater. Alright. Last pack. Let's see if we can't get any more hits here. Unparalleled. I can get the damn thing open. There you go. Alright. I just like the look of these. Philip Walker. Chris Hogan. D-Hop, BJ Hill, Kyle Long, Deshaun Watson, Victorious, Connor Williams, Arden Key, and back to Philip Walker. So no hits there. I don't think anything that was numbered here. Let's just run through them real quick. Oh, yeah, Kyle Long was out of 200. There we go. Kyle Long. That was Flight, BJ Hill, but that's not numbered. Flight, not numbered. Back to Philip Walker. Yep, not numbered. So let's go over this one more time. We got the Fournette that they sent separate, $428 to $499. That's pretty cool. And then we have this Dak Prescott on card rated rookie, 5 of 10. So that's a pretty good hit. And then we have Kyle Long unparalleled out of 200. And then we have this die cut Bobby Wagner out of 75, Donruss press proof. So with that, I mean, overall, the pack value I think is pretty good. I'll definitely get another box again, and like I said, shout out to those guys at the original Boombox. One more time, here's their contact info. Go check them out. Looks like next month, 2018 Illusions football. And yeah, no, they put out a good box, and like I said, it was shipped. It shipped it. I ordered it the 18th, and it showed up to the door on the 20th. Clear, from the Midwest to Seattle. So pretty impressed with that. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe and leave a comment on what you want me to open up next. And yeah, really having fun with this. And until next time, guys.